Welcome to PHISPYRATE, channel that discusses about cybersecurity tools, tips, and tactics. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through installing and using PHISPYRATE. Okay, let's just execute it. First, you enter GitHub with Rivail96, PHISPYRATE face verification. Make sure you have Python and Git installed on your system. These are required to run the tool properly. Now, open your terminal or Kali Linux window and get ready to clone the repository. Here the upload folder is listed, and this is where the captured video output from the target will be located. Now, we need to install the required Python dependencies. Before that, we first create a Python virtual environment by running python 3-m venv. Then activate it with the command source venv-bin. Activate, and now we can run. pip install -r requirements.txt. Make sure all modules are installed without errors. What we have to do now is allow LocalXpose and Ngrok. Enter the command chmod +x. Localx continue. Chmod +x Ngrok. After everything runs normally and there are no errors, now we can run the tool directly with the command python3server.py. Okay, here we just integrate with Ngrok or LocalXpose. The way you have to have Ngrok or LocalXpose token, if you don't have one, you have to register first. If you have registered, copy your token and paste it in ngroktoken.txt. Now we just run it again with the command python3server.py. Well, the Ngrok link has appeared, and you can send it to the intended target. That's all, friends. Remember to use it wisely. Thank you, and see you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to continue supporting us.